Railways to install CCTV cameras in all coaches, set to improve safety standard for passengers. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw has ordered the installation of CCTV cameras in all 74,000 coaches and 15,000 locomotives of the railways to enhance passenger safety. According to a statement issued by the Railway Ministry on Sunday, the decision was taken after Vaishnaw and Union Minister of State for Railways Ravneet Singh Bitto on Saturday reviewed the benefits of CCTV cameras installed in the Northern Railways on a trial basis. To maintain the privacy of passengers, the cameras will be installed in the common movement area near the doors, it said. The Union Minister for Railways gave the go-ahead to install CCTV cameras in all 74,000 coaches and 15,000 locos. Each railway coach will be covered with 4 dome-type CCTV cameras, 2 in each entranceway, the press note said. Each locomotive will have 6 CCTV cameras. This will include 1 camera each at the front, rear and on both sides of the locomotive. Each cab front and rear of a loco will be fitted with 1 dome CCTV camera and 2 desk-mounted microphones, the statement said. Officials said that the move will significantly improve passengers' safety and discourage miscreants and organized gangs from operating in and around stations and trains. According to the ministry, the CCTV cameras will have the latest specifications. Swipe left for next video. The Union Minister for Railways emphasized deploying the best-in-class equipment. He urged the railway officials to ensure that high-quality footage should be available even for trains running at 100 km/h plus speeds and also under low lighting conditions, the statement said. The modernization efforts of Indian Railways are a reflection of its commitment towards a safe, secure, and passenger-friendly travel experience, it added. Latest blogs.